Need to replace the locking wheel on your Blackstone 2177? Some folks call it a locking caster, same part. Today we're swapping it for a brand new one. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's an easy job, about 15 minutes with one wrench and some blocks or a friend to help tip the cart. Let's get into it. Step 1. Strip and tip the cart. But first, knobs off, tank valve closed, regulator off, and everything cool. Then we can work. Now lift the tank off its hook on the left leg, right where you're working, and take the griddle top off too. That's the heavy half of this machine. With that weight gone, tip the cart over or block up the left legs until the bad wheel hangs free. Feels tippy? That's your cue to grab a second set of hands. Step 2. Pull the old wheel. The wheel's threaded stem runs up through the leg plate, held by an acorn nut, the domed one, over a lock washer. Hold the wheel steady, put a wrench on the nut, and back it off. The old wheel drops right out. If corrosion is fighting you, hit the threads with penetrating oil and give it a minute to soak. Step 3. Seat the new wheel. Push the stem up through the hole in the leg plate. Drop the lock washer on. Start the acorn nut by hand, then snug it with the wrench. You want the wheel square to the plate. Snug, not gorilla tight, because it still has to swivel underneath. Set the cart back on its feet and step on the brake lever a couple of times to make sure it bites. These casters are pushed to lock. Before you call it done, run the checks. Flip the brake. It should lock the wheel and hold the cart still against a push. Roll it a few feet, smooth, quiet, and the swivel tracks where you steer. Make sure it sits level, with no rock at the corners. And give that acorn nut one more look after your first cook. New hardware likes to settle. Pass all 4, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.